Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Wally's Welding World. I'm the Weld Professor. If you didn't know, now you know. So I'm just basically coming out here today. I haven't broke out my new hood, but I wanted to show you guys the new Outlaw hood. This is actually the widescreen with the no sand face on the back. And so I really like this hood. See, it's got like little breathers down there. That way the hood can breathe. And then the auto lens, or it's not an auto lens, it's a fixed lens. You can kind of see it's right there on my nose and then all that. Yeah, I kind of wanted to show you guys this hood because the moment I strike an arc with it, I mean, it was a sticker that was sketched. So the moment fire hits it, it's going to go away. So I wanted to kind of show you guys what it looked like first before I put the flame to it. And then it has this awesome Aztec girl on the side, which I'll probably cover with stickers because nothing against the Aztec girl. I just, I like stickers on the side of my hood. So I just kind of wanted to show you guys a little quick demo of the hood right here. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the side of it. It's a real thin auto lens, I keep saying auto, I mean fixed lens that they got. So they got this nice little sleeve that goes in there. It even says Outlaw on it. And then you can pull out this fixed lens that they got, and I'm gonna show you this fixed lens. It's a big fixed lens, see, look at that. So it's a pretty big fixed lens. It's pretty cool. And I'm pretty stoked to use this hood. I haven't broke it out yet exactly, just because I wanted to show you guys on the video before I took off and started really throwing sparks on it to give you guys an idea. Now this is made by Outlaw Leather out of Texas. So mad shout out to Ishmael and Jesus and the rest of the Outlaw crew out there putting together these amazing products, especially this amazing hood. I'm super excited to put it on and weld with it. Oh yeah, and it's just so lightweight, so comfortable. Bam. So, oh man, I can see a lot too. I can see a lot. I thought I wasn't gonna be able to see anything, but you know what? I think I'd be able to see the bevel. I think I'd be able to see the bevel through that right there. So now that I've shown you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and take it up in the rack. I'm gonna do some welding with it. Definitely check out outlawleatherusa.com, I believe is their address. And also, you gotta check out my homegirl Soko, because you know she be making them wicked hats. Soko's definitely making some wicked hats. So you gotta have the wicked hat and the wicked hood to have wicked welds. All right. So I love you guys. You have a good one. We'll wrap to you later. I'm gonna go break this bad boy in. Peace.